People expect newly hot mixed roads for last at least for 3 years, but Navalkar says they get washed away with very first rain showers. Toilets at Margaon's Mathani administration complex lie neglected. Visitors hesitate to use them. Goa Forward urges Prime Minister to sack Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and replace him with either Vishwajit Rane or Michael Lobo. State Election Commission postpones election to 11 municipalities by 3 months, says will fix new date later. Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza and now the news in detail. Goa Forward has urged the Prime Minister to sack Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant from the Chief Minister's post and replace him with some other BJP ministers like Vishwajit Rane or Michael Lobo. Earlier, the recent Vagadar rave party at Vagadar saw another twist. The organizer was seen meeting top political leaders and officials too. Watch this story in detail. The police have arrested actor Kapil Javari along with other 18 people who are involved in the rave party. Now the opposition has come down heavy on the BJP government and the Anjuna police. The BJP government is supporting drug business in Goa, and this DGP is new and might not know the link of government and drugs. Goa Forward has alleged this and was also reacting to the picture circulated on social media in which actor Kapil Javari, who was arrested for hosting the rave party, meeting all political leaders.
शिवोली मतदारसंघात एक तो चित्रपट अभिनेतो कमल झवेरी म्हणून ताणे एक रेव पार्टी अंमली पदार्थांची पार्टी धूम धडाक्यान थंय वाजयली. झवेरी म्हणटा तो हाजे पयलीं मुख्यमंत्र्यांक मेळून गेला, राज्यसभेचे खासदार बाब विनय तेंडुलकर हांकां मेळून गेला, म्हज्या शेजारच्या मतदारसंघाचे आमदार बाब दयानंद सोपटे हांकांय मेळून गेला. हाजे वयल्यान अशें दिसता की पयलीं मिकी म्हणटालो ड्रग्स वाल्यांचे राजकारण्याचे बी मिकी पाशेको म्हणी संबंध आसा. राजकारण्यांचे न्ही हांगा सरकारूच ड्रग्स चलयता काय अशें आतां दिसलां. ड्रग्साचे व्यवहार सरकाराच्या आशिर्वादान चलता. आमचे नवीन जे डीजीपी आता बदलून आयल्या मुकेश कुमार मीणा, तांकां बहुतेक हे सरकाराचे आनी ड्रग्स वाल्यांचे जे हितसंबंध गुंतलेले आसात ते खबर नासतले म्हणून ताणें ती रेड मारली आनी एसपी शोभित सक्सेना हाणी वचून ती रेड मारून 20-25 जाणांक धरले. आता हातूंत भितर ड्रग्साचो धंदो म्हणटा पळय त्या धंद्यान रोखडेच पयशे डबल न्हू 10 पटीन जातात. स्वतः सरकारच जर अशा तरेचे धंदे करता जाल्यार तो न्याय आनी कसलो मेळपाचो आसा. आज प्रधानमंत्री ज्या तरेन उलयता की नशामुक्त भारत, पण आज गोंया भितरूच ताका हरताळ फासलेलो वयता. डायरेक्ट हांव पंतप्रधानांक एक आर्जवाची एक आर्ततेची अशी हाक दिता की पयलीं एक उडता पंजाब म्हणून पिक्चर आसताले, आतां हे उडता गोवा करपाचें ठरलां काय कितें. हांव डायरेक्ट साथ घालता प्रधानमंत्र्यांक की मुख्यमंत्र्यांक तुमी बेगोबेग पांयउतार करचो. म्हजी मागणी आसा ह्या पत्रकार परिशदेंतल्यान. आनी एक थंय दुसरो एक लायक आनी कर्तबगार असो मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून एक तर विश्वजीत राणे आसा, नाजाल्यार मायकल लोबो आसा. अशा तरेच्या कर्तबगार मंत्र्यांक मुख्यमंत्री तुम्ही करचे अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Vinod Palekar also came down heavy on Anjuna Police Inspector Suraj Gauns and PSI Videsh Pilgaonkar.
Vinod said that local police station was shielding the drug trade in the state. Palekar also demanded sacking of Police Inspector Suraj Gawas in charge of the Anjuna police station, alleging that he was not acting against the rave parties in his jurisdiction. He alleged that these two police personnel are involved in the drug mafia gang. Watch.
पुलिस स्टेशनाचे जे पळय इन्स्पेक्टर आसा सूरज गांवस यांका कोणाचो आशीर्वाद आसा हांवें सातत्यान इतक्यो मागण्यो करून सुद्धा ताका निलंबित करचो म्हणून कितक्यो मागण्यो केल्या हांवें तो आनी एक थंयसर PSI आसा विदेश पिळगांवकर म्हणून हो विदेश पिळगांवकर म्हणटा तो सगळ्या ड्रग्स वाल्यांकडे भोंवता म्हाका खबर आसा एकदां लास्ट सिजनाक अशीच पार्ट्यो जाताल्यो आनी हांव सातत्यान हेचेर आवाज उठयतालो हांवें अशेंच हे शोभीत सक्सेना त्या वेळार एंटी नार्कोटिक्सान आसले आनी तांकां हांवें सांगिल्लें की अशें एका जाग्यार पार्टी चलता आनी तुमी थंय या आनी रेड करा म्हणून हांव थंय त्या स्पॉटाचेर रावलो पुलीस स्टेशनाक खंयच्यान कळ्ळें काय कळना म्हाका की होच विदेश पिळगांवकर म्हणटा तो हांव ज्या स्पॉटार राविल्लो थंय येवन त्या ड्रग्स वाल्याक सांगलें की आवाज बी कमी करा म्हणून आनी ताणें त्या ड्रग्स वाल्यान आवाज कमी केलो आनी हांव त्या स्पॉटाचेर रावन पळयता आनी हो तेजे कडल्यान दुसऱ्या ड्रग्स वाल्या कडेन गेलो आनी हांव हेजो पाठलाग करता फाटल्यान वेशा वेवसायांक प्रवृत्त करपाक हेचो खूब हातभार आसा म्हणून ताका 2 फावटी वाळपय पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ट्रान्सफर केल्लो पूण तो सरकारी जावंय कसो परत परत शिवोले मतदारसंघातल्या अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर परत परत येता कित्याक येता तो हेका कोणाचो आशीर्वाद आसा म्हणून तो येता मुख्यमंत्र्यांक दिसना हे
Photos went super viral of party accused Kapil Jawari meeting politicians in Goa at various moments. Photos with Ayush Minister Shripad Naik, also Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to Corporation Minister Govind Gowde. After pictures went super viral on social media, CM Sawant took a stand on social media and tweeted saying that it was just an official meet. Police have been given orders to go ahead with their inquiry. Prime accused in Vagator rape party case, Kapil Jawari had met Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant recently. CM said that the meeting was official and police are given free hand to investigate this case. However, on the other hand, the Corporative Minister Govind Gowde also said on his photo with Kapil Jawari, which was super viral, says that Kapil had sought an official appointment in the month of May, inviting him for inauguration of Tirupati Multi-State Cooperative Credit Society branch, which he refused to go ahead. What is happening? Are politicians involved? These are some of the questions that have been raising every day now.
काल जो अरेस्ट जाल्लो आसा ते तर पळयले तुमी जाल्यार हितून कशें करून हे ड्रग्साचे बिझनेस एक्सपर्टां हाडून प्रमोशन करतात गोंयांत म्हणजे ही ड्रग्स पार्टी काल जाली ड्रग पार्टी काल जाली तेजे ब्लेसिंग घेवपाक मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळ्ळा आनी हे हांगा सेटिंग जाला आणि सेटिंग जाता आसतना तांगेलो पयलींचो अध्यक्षूय आसा आणि हे क्लियर कट सेटिंग आणि हाजे पयलीं मंत्रिमंडळातल्या मंत्र्यान सांगला म्हाका दिसता मायकल लोबोन डायरेक्टली सांगलेलें आसा की हे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा म्हणून आनी आपल्याकूय खबर आसा पण त्याच्या नंतर मायकल लोबोन कितें केलें मायकल लोबोय तेंचे बरोबर आतां सारको जॉइन जावन तेज्याय ब्लेसिंगान हें चालू आसा काय म्हणून आमी मायकल लोबोक विचारपाक सोदता पूण मायकल लोबो आतां ओगी कित्याक तेन्ना बोळा मारतालो आनी तेचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या सायडीकूच तेकोनूच हें जाता आनी मायकल लोबोचो एक शब्दूय येना ह्या हितून.
It is Clinton D'Souza with Amar Chavaria for Goa 365 in Panaji.
The State Election Commission has postponed the general elections to 11 municipalities by 3 months. These were scheduled to be held on the 18th of October. The decision to fix next date for election will be taken after addressing the situation as also the ZP elections, the Commission said on Monday.
State Election Commissioner R.K. Srivastava said that the Deputy Collector and Mamlatdar cannot be appointed as RO and ARO to prepare voters list as they are busy in administrative work dealing with the COVID pandemic and safety of people was paramount. On 7 January, the government had given the go-ahead for elections and had also notified the delimitation of wards. The tenure of the councils is expiring on 4th November. Election Commission has also shown willingness to hold municipal and ZP elections together if situation improves.
And Commission did not think it prudent to go ahead and force the election on this fixed date. Otherwise, many of the people who are going to be around for election purposes will be exposing themselves to the threat of spread of coronavirus. Democracy, we know, is for the people, by the people and of the people. So we don't want people to come to risk, and their life should not be compromised from going ahead with the election process. So we thought it prudent to postpone the fixed election by 3 months. So Election Commission today announces the postponement of general election to 11 municipal councils, which was fixed on 18th October. We postpone it by 3 months. Zilla Panchayat election, as you are already aware, only the date of poll, which was fixed on 22nd March, we could not hold the poll. So we have postponed that date also, and we have not taken any fresh call when to hold that polling, which was postponed. So it will happen in due course.
Amar Chauria for Goa 365 from Panji.
The coronavirus death toll in India has crossed 50,000 mark on Monday after reporting more than 900 deaths in last 24 hours. However, the number of recovered patients has reached almost 20 lakhs. Total tally of cases have increased to 26.47 lakhs. Meanwhile, UP has overtaken Delhi to become the 5th worst hit coronavirus state in India.
A single day jump of 57,981 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 941 deaths were reported and 57,584 patients have recovered. India has reported 26,47,663 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 6.76 lakh mark. 50,921 deaths are reported and more than 19,842 patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 5.95 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 3.38 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 2.89 lakh, Karnataka 2.26 lakh and UP 1.54 lakh. Almost 2.16 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 2.18 crore mark. 7.73 lakh deaths are reported and more than 1.45 crore have recovered. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 52.58 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 32.75 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 25.89 lakh cases, Russia 9.17 lakh cases and South Africa with 5.83 lakh cases. Once a worst hit nation due to coronavirus, France has now started reporting new cases of coronavirus. France has reported more than 3,000 fresh cases of coronavirus for second consecutive day after country removed its lockdown. French authorities have now made compulsory for the people to wear masks in Paris and Marseille cities. Experts say France most likely is facing a second wave of coronavirus. However, France still plans to reopen schools by next 2 weeks. Spain, which was also worst hit coronavirus nation, is slowly getting on tracks. However, hundreds Spanish rallied in Madrid to protest against the mandatory use of face masks and other restrictions imposed by the Spanish government to contain the coronavirus spread. Protesters held up homemade placards featuring slogans, "The virus does not exist, masks kill, and we are not afraid." New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has postponed the country's general election by a month to October 17 as the city of Auckland remains in lockdown due to new COVID-19 outbreak. New Zealand reported new COVID cases days after country declared itself free from COVID-19. Local coronavirus transmission returned last week to New Zealand after a gap of 102 days. There are 78 active cases in the country.
Immediate reaction when you heard there were no active cases of COVID-19 remaining in New Zealand?
I did a little dance.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. Baga Hill is very vulnerable. On Monday, a couple of days after the first one, Baga Hill was hit by another landslide. Finally, local MLA Michael Lobo promised to build an eco-friendly, blending into the backyards and background retaining wall.
The first landslide occurred on 3rd August, followed by one on 11th and then on 16th August. The retaining wall has also collapsed and the retreat house atop the Baga Hill is facing a risk. But ironically, Michael says the work done to stop the landslide is up to date. Watch what Xavier Retreat House Father Jovito D'Souza has to say.
हे सगळे पळोवन सारखे भिरांकूळ कशें दिसता, कित्याक आमी वयर रावताले आनी ह्या पेंडेमीक टायमार थोडे लोक हांगा येनासले, सो ताचे लागून कितें जातालें, शांती समाधान सगळें उरलोलें, बरें पीस ऑफ मायंड म्हणटा पळय त्या भाशेन हांगासर आसलें वातावरण. पूण हें जालेलें आमचें मनूय सारकें हल्लोलें आसा, सगळे चिंतना कितें करूं कितें करनाका अशें चिंतून आमकां सारको तेजो सुटावो मेळना. सकयल आमचें आनीक एक घर आसा, थिंगा येवन रावता. त्यो वस्तू सगळ्यो वयल्या घरानूच आसा, इल्ल्यो इल्ल्यो करून आमी हाडटा. आमचे हे वाटेन पांय वाट आसा सारकी अंजुना वचोंक, तो एक रस्तो आमचे फाटली एक गेट आसा पळय थंय पासून आसा बारीकशी पांय वाट, सो त्या वाटेनसान वचोन येवन आमच्यो वस्तू आमी घेवन येता. पूण ती 800 मिटर तरी जाता आनी ताचे लागून येवन वचोंक खडपांचेर आनी तशें निसोर आनी पावसूय पडत आसा, अवघड जाता आमकां. आमी मागता आमच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी आमकां कसली तरी मदत केल्या पुरान.
2 पाटी माती काडली आता ह्या दिसांनी देवल्ली तितली रोडाची हय. सो आमी इमिडिएटली ताका स्ट्रेंथनिंग करूंक सोदता. नेक्स्ट टू द रोड कंप्लीट रिटेनिंग वॉल घालून स्टेप बाय स्टेप सारकी, आनी रिटेनिंग वॉल घालतना ती आमी बेश्टी हेची घालचे ना कॉन्क्रिटाची, पोनाक कॉन्क्रिटाची आसतली, मागीर तेजी वयर सगळी लॉबरांनी घालतात. सो इट ब्लेंड्स विथ द नेचर ऑल्सो. फाटल्या दिसांनी 5 वर्सां पयलीं जे आमी काम केल्लें तें आयज बसून बरें. आतां जे हे वाटेन हें जाल्लें आहा, डॅमेज जाल्लें आहा नॉर्थ इस्टर्न सायड, तें आमी काम स्टार्ट करता. JCB घालून माती आमी 2 पाटी काडली, पूण आजुनूय पासून काल लँडस्लायडान परतून माती येयली. सो हे चालूच आसतलें माती येवप. पावस जितको पडटा तितली माती आनीक सकला येतली, कित्याक तो हिलॉक सगळो वीक जाल्लो. Immediately we will start the work. As soon as this month ends, September end पासून हे काम चालू जातलें.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Baga.
We don't know the concept of roads in Navelim. They have to be repaired every few months. We don't know what the contractor uses to repair the roads, tar or sand, questions the Navelkars.
People expect roads to be in good condition for at least 3 years, but in reality, roads have been washed away in the first rains. Same situation is seen on the Navelim Highway. The potholes along the Navelim Highway junction, people get direct Chandrar feeling. Watch to what locals have to say.
रस्त्याचो कॉन्सेप्ट म्हाका कितें म्हणटा कळना. एक म्हयन्यान हो रस्तो रिपेर करता, एक म्हयन्यान, पूण तो 15 दीस पासून उरना. ते डांबर घालता काय रेम कितें घालता म्हणटा काय कळना. आख्खे आमचे शॉकअब्जर रस्त्यार सारखे धडण टायर पासून वयतात. 3 म्हयन्यांनी 1 म्हयनो पासून येना. असले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे एक्शन कित्याक गव्हर्मेंट घेयना. हांव मागता बाब दिपक पावसकारा कडेन PWD मंत्री, तूं कितें घालता तें तरी पळय तूं कितें तें डांबर म्हणटा कॉन्सेप्ट तेजो घालता काय ना अशें म्हणून हें कळपा जाय रे. ओगी कितें एक दिसांनी आनी सारकें जंक्शन हें हायवे नावेली आनी हायवे ही तर हांव मागता सरकारा कडेन जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा कडेन ते फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मागीर तेंच्यांनी करून घेवचें अशें गेलें जाल्यार.
आतां हे फाटल्यान रोड वर्क पॅच वर्क केलं तेंच्यांनी. आतां हे पावसान तिसरे फाटी पॅच वर्क केल्यात. आनी गळी तशेंच पडला कोण पडल्यात. आतां इतलें ट्राफीक मेन हायवे जंक्शन आमगे चर्च आसा हांगा लोक पडटात. आतां कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीज मातशें लक्ष दिवची आनी चवथ बी आयले आनी प्रॉब्लेम जातलो. एक सायडाच्यान कोवीड प्रॉब्लेम चालू आसा. सो मातशें कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीज लक्ष दिवन कितें कितें फोन पडला कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाला हे सगळें जाता मातशें परमनंटली कितें एक सोल्युशन काडचें म्हणून मागता.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Naveli.
A truck fell on its side on a bend in Bali on Sunday night after the driver lost control over the vehicle while trying to avoid stray cattle. The driver and the cleaner were injured and are hospitalized.
The locals say the band sees many accidents and stray cattle sitting on the road makes things worse for the drivers.
राती जालो तो आमी आवाज आयकल्लो. हांव वयता हांव तेवटेन पावल्लो तो आवाज आयकलो. हे वॉल्त पयल्यार भरपूर डेंजर आसा आनी रस्त्यार पण गोरू भोंवता ते गोरवाचेर गव्हर्मेंटान एक्शन घेवपाक जाय कितें तरी. नाजाल्यार 2 म्हयन्या एकदा तरी एक्सिडेंट आसाच ताच्यार. खरेंच तर हांव फुडें वयतालो आमकां उडयतालो तो गोरू घटनासलेली हांगा. तेगे बडे काव येयल ना 2 जाण इंजर्ड जाल्यात. आमीच ताका काडला सकयल देंवन. सगळ्या पयल्या स्पीड ब्रेकर आसात आनी हे डेंजर वॉल्ताचेर एक स्पीड ब्रेकर ना. लोक काव जायना गाडयेक फास्ट जाल्यार लोकां जीव सुद्दां वचोंक शकता न्हू. पूण थंय एक स्पीड ब्रेकर घालपाक जायो आनी हेतून एक घालपाक जायो नाजाल्यार हें वॉल्त भरपूर डेंजर आसा.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Bali.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. South Goa district headquarters at Margaon was constructed spending crores of rupees, but over the years its maintenance, especially the toilets, lie neglected. Floor tiles are broken, flushing mechanisms are not working properly, and in many places taps are leaking.
Visitors to the building say they hesitate to enter as the whole area is in bad shape. Broken floor tiles have not been replaced for a long time. Authorities had assured that the maintenance of the district collectorate building would match the standards of a 5-star hotel, but look at the state now.
म्हाका मातशें एमर्जन्सी हें जालें म्हणून हांव टॉयलेटान वचपाक गेल्लो हिंगा. ह्या टॉयलेटान पयलीं जाल्यार भितर वचपाना. हे टॉयलेटा कंडिशन हितून हे बॅड जाल्लें आहा. म्हाका दिसता हे लोक हांव नको कशें वापरताय ते काम करताय ते हे सगळे लोक हिंगाचे जे वर्कर्स आहाय ते कितें करून हांव टॉयलेट वापरताय म्हणून म्हाका खबर ना. वास पयलीं ते वचपाक सोंसपाक जायना पळय हिंगा. आख्खो कंडिशन कितें जाल्लें पळय देर ना मुखाल्लें आनी हें ना. म्हाका दिसता की हेजेर बेगीन नदर मारपाची कोणी येवन हिंग पळोवन आनी हें बेगीच्या बेगीन हें कंप्लीट काम करून कोणाकय जाल्यार कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट काबार करपाक जाय. आसता म्हणटा टॉयलेट म्हणटा क्लीन आसपा जायो.
एंट्रस पळय कशी तो आख्खे पिडा गांवांत सगळे जाल्ले आहा. आतां हे जाले उणें एक वर्स जालें कांयच मेंटेनन्स ना. पयर फाटीं एक सिनियर सिटीजनाक भितर येतालो तो पडलो. कलेक्टरान खुद जावन ताणी इन्स्पेक्शन करून टॉयलेट लोकांक इम्पॉर्टंट आसा.
Sandeep Twankar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
As a precautionary measure, Chikalim Panchayat will be closed for 5 days after a staffer was tested positive for coronavirus.
According to Chikali Sarpanch Sabi Pereira, the clerk of Panchayat tested positive and hence the decision was taken to keep the Panchayat office shut for 5 days. The Sarpanch said all the other staff members will be kept under observation.
आता कोडोन येयला आमचो एक स्टाफ लुडदीन आमचे आहा न्हू ते आमचे क्लार्क आहा ते पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळें म्हूण आनी तेजो घोवूय पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळो म्हूण. हेज्या पयले चिकल्यार केसी आसलेल्यो पूण आमी पंचायत लोकां लागून थोडे दीस फाटीं बंद दवरलेली पूण लक्कीली एक देखून आमचो स्टाफ पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळो ना. आतां आमी 5 दीस बंद दवरपाक केल्या कित्याक लोकां लागून. कित्याक आमचो एक स्टाफ जालो म्हणल्यार हेराकूय चान्सीस आसूंक शकता पॉझिटीव जावपाक. सो हांव डॉक्टरा कडेन उलयलो. डॉक्टरान म्हाका सांगलां एक 5 दीस सगळें सांग म्हूण सारकें प्रिकॉशन घे घरा रावाय म्हूण. सो तेन्ना हांव मिनिस्टराकूय हांवें इन्फॉर्म केलें अशें आहा म्हूण आमची एक स्टाफ एक पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळा. सो तेणेंय सांगलां तुमी 5 दीस पंचायत बंद दवरे.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Chikali.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please do log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook at Goa365TV. Or simply download the app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on mobile phones. Until then, please keep watching Goa 365.